Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wa salatu wa salamu ala nabiyyina Muhammadin, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa azwajihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'awudhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri, wa yassir li amri, wa ahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli, wa rabbi zidni ilman ajma'in inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in all of us knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, brothers and sisters, I have written on the board Form 1, which is what we are doing exclusively in Book 2. Anything that has to be learned as far as Form 1 is concerned, it will be in Book 2. In the most comprehensive way. Nothing will be left. And with that base, you will understand the rest of the forms with ease. Because some verbs are coming, I am going to give you some idea, brothers and sisters. As you see, fa'ala, how many letters in the verb? 3. So if there are 3 letters in the verb, alamatu mudariya or harfu mudariya, what are they? Ya, ta, hamza and nun. They get fatah. Daraba yadribu, nasara yansuru, fataha yaftahu. When you put them in Form 2, you added ain kalima. You doubled it. Are you with me? So how many words are there now? 4 words. Are you with me? 4 words. Okay. So then the alamatu mudariya becomes you. Okay. Fa'ala yufa'ilu. Allama yu'allimu. Sabbaha yusabbihu. You keep that in mind. When you come to Form 3, you add alif to fa kalima. So instead of fa'ala, now you have fa'ala. Fa'ala yufa'ilu. Jahada yujahidu. Okay. Sa'ada yusa'idu. Hawala yuhawilu. Remember, again, why you? Because there are 4 letters in the verb. And then we come to Form 4, af'ala. What did you do? You added hamzatul qata in the beginning. Okay? Af'ala. And then it became yuf'ilu. Okay? For the time being, hamza is hidden. Yuf'ilu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Aslama yuslimu. Arsala yursilu. Akhraja yukhriju. Why you? Because there are 4 letters. After that, 5 letters, 6 letters, etc., etc. Again, the alamatu mudariya will be fatah. Ishtara yashtari. Are you with me? Ishtara yashtari. So they will become fatah again. Okay. Keep that in mind. We are going to do these in detail later on, inshallah, in detail. Right now, only some idea because some verbs are coming. So, here are a couple of words that we are going to be doing in Form 4. Amkana. What is it? To become possible. Okay. Amkana. What will be the mudariya? Yumkinu. 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 Are you with me, brothers and sisters? And akhraja, it's not coming, but it's a nice verb. We did it last time. Akhraja yukhriju. Now the verb that is we are doing more in these lessons is arada. What is it? Arada. He wanted. He wished. What will be the mudariya? Yuridu. Huh? Are you with me? Yuridu. This is a very common verb. How many times in a day you say, I want? Very common verb in English. I want, I like, I forgot, something like that. But I'm going to come to that, inshallah. Now, brothers and sisters, I come back to mastar. We learned in lesson number 11. What is mastar? It's a verbal noun. Huh? It is a noun derived from verb. For the first time, we learned in lesson number 11. Okay? Now, it is called verbal noun in English. And there are other names for that verbal noun, which we are going to learn. In Arabic, we say mastar. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I want you to write down this. What is al-mastar? Original noun of action. It is also called infinitive. How many of you know infinitive? If you don't know infinitive, that's fine. I also didn't know. But we forget. We learned long time ago in school and we forget. But we are going to learn again, inshallah. Okay. Now remember, verbal noun, it's a noun plus verb. When you say it is a noun, brothers and sisters, then it will decline. It will have tanween, it will have al, and it will be dun, dan, din, marfu, mansub, and majroor, because it's a noun. But then it is verb also, but in only one sense. And that sense is that it describes an action without tense, without time, and without file. Okay? And it cannot be the main verb of the sentence. It cannot be. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? It cannot become a main verb of the sentence. So, we learned in lesson number 11 a special pattern, wazan. And what was that wazan, brothers and sisters? Fu'ulun. Again, things I am repeating. If you catch, alhamdulillah. If you forget, don't worry. This form is called a sama'iyun. You listen. Okay? It is not qiyasiyun. There is no fixed measurement. It means, sama'iyun means the way people heard from others, they started using it. In other words, there are about 40 different patterns. Okay. We do not have to sit down and memorize them. As they come, we will learn them. This is first pattern we are doing. What is it, brothers and sisters? Fu'ulun. Okay. Then there is another pattern that I have given you in the sheet. And what is that, brothers and sisters? Fa'lun. What is it? Fa'lun. There is another nice one. Fi'alatun. So these are patterns that I have given you extra so that you can, keep it in mind. Remember, every verb will be on a different pattern. Seems like too much, but they are very easy, brother. As you learn few of them, your mind understands it. And then it will work itself and figure out what pattern it is. For the time being, we will stick to the first pattern which Dr. Abdurrahim has introduced to us. It's not number one pattern, it's just a pattern. Fu'ulun. So what was our pattern from fu'ulun? Jalasa. Julus. See, jalasa, he sat. So there is a file, there is a verb with a time. He sat in the past. When you say yajlisu, there is a file. And the time is he's sitting now, or he will sit. Are you with me? But when you say julus, the action is there, sitting. But there is no time frame. And no file. So, what is julus, brother? It is the verbal noun from jalasa. Are you with me? So, fu'ulun is the pattern, and from jalasa we get julus. Now, I'm sure you will remember. Brother, sajada, sujud. I will only use these patterns. I won't confuse you, inshallah. Sajada, sujud. Raja'a, ruju. Kharaja, khuruj. Raka'a, ruku. Nazala, nuzul. These are all the patterns. So, keeping those patterns in mind, brother, you will try to understand that the mastar, which is in the original, this al-mastar is original, which is like julus. It has got jim, lam, sin. The root of the verb is there. You can see it. Okay? Letters are not missing from the verb. The verb letters are in the mastar. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So that is our al-mastar. And that is called, brothers and sisters, in English, original. Okay? This is what the Western scholars of grammar call it, original noun of action, which means verbal noun. Now, brothers and sisters, I ask you something. If you write or if you say something, I want, I like, these are just some of the verbs, brother. I forgot. Are you with me? What will you use after that? To. You will always use to. You will use to. And after to, what will you use? Verb. The base form of the verb. The form, you look into the dictionary. For example, I want to eat. Now, eat is the base form, brothers and sisters. If you want to look in the dictionary, you look to eat. Okay? Not eaten or ate, but eat. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So this is the base form. Brother. And then, I like to drink. So what is drink? Again, the base form of the verb. And I forgot to write. What is write? Okay, again the verb in the base form. What do you call this to in English? Infinitive. What do you call it? Infinitive. So I want to, brothers and sisters, I want to drink. I like to eat, or I forgot to write. To drink, to eat, to write is called in English infinitive. What is it called? Infinitive. And what is infinitive? Verb noun. Verbal noun. Because this together makes it a noun. I want. What do you want? We need mafulun bihi, object. And what is object? I want to drink. Okay? I like. What do you like? You need an object because you're asking a question. What? And what do you like? I like to eat. So to eat is your object. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? And then you say, I forgot to write. What did you forget? To write. Again, that is an object. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So to drink, to eat, to write is called infinitive. And that is a verb noun. And it's written there in your sheet. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Infinitive, it is a verb form having the characteristics of both verb and noun. Are you reading with me? Inshallah? And usually being used with to. Okay? The infinitive starts with the word to and is followed by the base form of the verb, the form you would look if you are looking the word in the dictionary. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fine. There is another form of infinitive. It's called gerund. What is it called? See, eat is the verb. By putting ing, eating. Now what is eating, brother and sister? It's a noun. Still the action is there. But no time and no doer of the action. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, Brother Muhammad, I want to drink. You can change to drink into drinking. I want drinking. Are you with me? I want drinking. No, drinking becomes the object. Want is the verb. I want eating. Are you with me? So what is eating now? It's a noun. So if eating is noun, to drink is also noun. To eat is also together is noun. And writing or to write, this is also a noun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Think about it. Okay? To write or writing. To drink or drinking. To eat or eating. They are both nouns. If you put ing, then you call it gerund. And if you don't put ing, and if you just have to and the verb, then it is called infinitive. What is it called? Infinitive. Now, brother, this is English grammar. Okay? We learned it and we forgot. But we can again refresh our memory. Now, how do you say these things in Arabic? This is what the lesson is teaching us. Okay? So, uridu, brothers and sisters, what is the meaning of uridu? I want. And then it will be followed by Uridu an. What is it, brothers and sisters? Uridu an. Uridu an. And then you will use fi'l mudariya. Suppose I want to drink. So what is the verb for drinking? Shariba, yashrabu. Yashrabu, tashrabu, tashrabu, ashrabu, nashrabu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So now because it is I, so I will say an ashra, Brother Muhammad, ba. So it became mansub. Are you with me? It became mansub. Who made it mansub? This an made it mansub. What is an ashraba is equal to? To drink. Are you with me? So, two is an, and ashraba is drink. You can say if you want to. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, verbs like I want, I like, I forgot, you will always be using to. So similarly, uridu, uhibbu, nasitu, you will use after that an plus fi'l mudariya and mansub. Are you with me? Okay. Plus fi'l mudariya, mansub. Okay, fine. What do you call an ashraba in Arabic? No. This is what we are learning today. We call an ashraba, brothers and sisters, al-masdar, al-mu'awwalu. What do you call it? Al-masdar al-mu'awwalu. Okay. Which is, in English, if you make a literal translation, it will be interpreted original. What is it? Interpreted original. You know the meaning of interpretation? To explain, to expound. Fine. It is not original, but it is interpreted original. So, brother, what is the original? Master. Okay? And this is interpreted original. Okay. Now, what is the master for drinking in Arabic? We haven't done it, but we will do it today because it's important. Shurbun. What is it? Shurbun. What is it, brother and sister? What is the wazan, brother? Can you figure out the wazan? Shariba is there. Fu'ulun. What is the wazan? Fu'ulun. See, you can easily see. Brothers and sisters, I assure you, in a very short time you will all become masters and very knowledgeable about all these things. So what is master? Shurbun. What is al-mastar al-muawwal from shurbun? An ashraba. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is it? An ashraba. Okay? Now you see, it can be an ashraba, it can be an tashraba, It can be an yashraba, anything. An nashraba, but it will be an plus fi'l mudariya mansoob is equal to shurban. Are you with me, brothers? So, here you change this now. Uridu shurba. What will you say? Uridu shurba. Because you can change it. This is equal to shurba. Are you with me? Now, this is what I want you to understand today. And I do not expect that you will become expert in 1 day or 2 days. But this is our foundation, brothers and sisters. On this foundation, you will now start thinking. Whenever you will see in the Quran, and after that fi'l mudariya, you know that this is an plus fi'l mudariya. What is it? Al-Masdar al-Mu'awwal, which is interpreted original. You can change this into masdar. You can change it into masdar. Now this will require extra vocabs. We have to know all the masdars. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now take the page that I gave you, brothers and sisters. This page. Kataba yaktubu uktub. And ism file. We did ism file, remember? That is also a pattern. What is ism file? Katibun. And then there is a ism maf'ul. Maf'ulun. We haven't done that in detail. But remember the wazan maf'ulun. So make kataba into ism maf'ul. It will become maktubun. You got to follow that. Meme will come and the rest of the things will take its place. What is the masdar? Kitabatun. Not kutubun or kutbun. No. Kitabatun. What is the wazan? What is the wazan? Fi'alatun. Remember, Arabic is so wonderful, brother. Everything will be on a pattern. And you will master them. You will master them. So this is Kitabatun, which is on the pattern of Fi'alatun. Are you with me? Okay. Now I will only give you, we have given here the patterns. Kara'a, yakra'u, ikra, and then kari'un, and then makru'un. You will be doing this homework, inshallah. Okay. What is the masdar? Qira'atun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is qira'atun? Recitation. Reciting. Recitation. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Reciting. Brother, you use this verb very frequently, but you have never realized the meaning. In Urdu we say, iski qira'a badi achhi hai. What is qira'a? It is qira'atun. Are you with me? When you say qira'a, you did not pronounce ta marbuta. Iski qira'a bahut achhi hai. What is the meaning of that? His recitation is excellent. So, qira'a is qira'atun. You have been using this word, but you never realized that it is masdar from qara'a. Okay. Next one, brother. Darasa. We have been using this verb. Darasa, yadrusu, and then udrus, and then darisun, then madrusun, and then dirasatun. Are you with me? Are you with me? What is the pattern, brother? Fi'alatun. Abada, ya'budu, uhbud, abidun, ma'budun, and then ibadatun. Ibadat. So it is ibadatun. What is ibadatun? Worshipping. Worshipping. And that is your master. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So we have some patterns here. We have already given you the patterns. So all you have to do it, fill it in, the rest of it, inshallah. Now we come to page number 2 of the sheets that we have given you, brothers and sisters. An plus fi'l mudariya mansub is equal to al-masdar al-muawwal. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So this is masdar al-muawwal, and you can change this into the original masdar. You can change it. Huh? It means we should have the vocabs to know what is the masdar of certain verbs, Okay. Uridul kitaba. What is al-kitaba? Mafulun bihi. Direct object. Are you with me? I want the book. Fine. Now, here is a sentence, brother, in front of you. Uridu al-khuruja. What is it, brother? Uridu al-khuruja. Al-khuruja. What is al-khuruja? Exiting. Going out. Now, but what is Uridu al-khuruja? Mafulun bihi, mashallah. But what is khuruj? The original masdar. Are you with me? Change that into masdar muawwal. Okay? Uridu an akhruja. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? You can change it. So now the sentence is, because you always say, I want to go out. I want to go out. When you say to, then you will be using an and then fi'l mudariya mansub. Brother, so what is it? Uridu an akhruja. Now, brothers and sisters, tell me, uridu is a verb. It is a transitive verb, and it needs maf'ulun bihi. Where is maf'ulun bihi? Now, if there was a khuruja, then you can say maf'ulun bihi mansubun. But an akhruja, brothers and sisters, akhruja is a verb. And an is a harf. So you don't see a complete noun as a maf'ulun bihi, but it is al-masdar al-muawwal. And what is that extra phrase we use? What is that extra phrase we use, Sister Maimuna? Fi mahalli. Fi mahalli nasbin. Because if it was a proper noun, it would have been mansub. But this is masdar muawwal, means there is a harf plus fi'l mudariya. It's a fi'l mudariya. But two together, they are maf'ulun bihi. But I don't see maf'ulun bihi in a normal way. For example, Sister Sumayya, Uridul khuruja. What is khuruja? And now al has come. Are you with me? And is it mansub? Yes. Why it is mansub? Maf'ulun bihi. So what will you say? Uridu fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi damma fa'il mustatir taqdiruhu ana. And what is al-khuruja? Maf'ulun bihi mansubun. Do you see sign there, mansubun? Bil fatah. But brother, if I say to you, Uridu an akhruja. Akhruja is a verb. Are you with me? So how do I describe this as a maf'ulun bihi? If I remove this and I put al-khuruja, then there is a proper maf'ulun bihi. But I remove al-khuruja and make it into an-akhruja. So what is an-akhruja? Al-masdar al-muwawwal fi mahalli nasbin maf'ulun bihi. All these explanations are given to you. I'm just trying to explain it in a way that inshallah you will understand. Now brothers and sisters, al-masdar, the original. Remember, the masdar can come as a subject because it is a noun. It will have al and it will decline. Are you with me? Dun, dan, din. It will decline. So it can come as a mubtada. It can come as a khabar. It can come as a fa'il. It can come as a maf'ulun bihi. The example is in front of us. Or it can come as a mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? Now I am going to write it as few examples. I would like you to copy them, brothers and sisters. Okay? Al-mastaru huwa al-ismu. Mastar, it is a noun. For if it is a noun, then it will decline. It will have only tanween if it is not definite. If it is definite, if it is with al, then there will be no tanween. Then if it is a noun, then it can become mubtada, it can become khabar, it can become fa'il, it can become maf'ulun bihi, and it can become mudaf ilayhi. No, this is a proper masdar, the original. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Original, inshallah. Write it, brothers and sisters. Mamnoon. Exiting is forbidden. You cannot go out. You will see the sign. You cannot go out of this door. Al-Khuruj Mamnoon. Okay, fine. And what is the next sentence, Sister Manas? Hadha sujudun. This is prostration. Are you with me? So what is sujudun? Is your khabar. Sister Maimuna, bada'a is a verb. To begin. Bada'a is to begin. What began? Nuzul. Means you are in the aircraft, it has landed, and you are all standing, and then the air hostess will tell, okay, get down now. So means bada'a an-nuzulu. Are you with me? An-nuzulu. So what is an-nuzulu? Fa'il for bada'a. Getting down has begun. Getting down has begun. Uhibbu, I love. I love to sit here in front of you. So uhibbu al-julusa. What is al-julusa? Maf'ulun bihi. Sahih. And then we point out hadha babul khuruji. This is the door of exiting. Are you with me? So al-khuruji became mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? No, this is the masdar, the original. Can I change this into masdar al-muawwal? Yes. I will be able to change it. Okay? And it comes in the Quran also this way. What I'm trying to say, we are not going to go in the details of this now. What I'm trying to say is, brothers and sisters, that al-masdar mu'awwal can also be mubtada, it can be khabar, it can be fa'il, it can be maf'ulun bihi, it can be mudaf ilayhi. So, you remember here, okay, that these things will change into masdar muawwal, and the whole appearance will be different. What will be the appearance of masdar muawwal? An plus fi'l mudari'. It's a totally different appearance. Are you with me? An plus fi'l mudari' mansoob.